What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and the Snaptain A10 4-axis mini foldable drone just came in from Amazon. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of it. This is a little mini foldable drone in the micro size, and it has gesture control, it has voice control, a 720p camera, and more. So let's get right to it. Unbox this guy. Slide this off, sit it back here. No blue alien needed for this unboxing. Sit that back there. Check it out. Folds out like this. Pretty small footprint. Nice little collapsible props and all. So let's get this to the side. We get 2 batteries in here. So nice, they supplying us with 2 batteries. And these batteries are 3.7 volt, 380 milliamp hour, 1S packs. Proprietary. This is the transmitter here. The sticks don't press down. You have the on and off switch there. This is a Wi-Fi FPV model. So there you go. This is the phone holder there. We have shoulder buttons there, speed and 3D flip labeled there. And we're going to need a screwdriver to get inside the battery bay. I'm pretty sure it takes 3 or 4 AAA batteries here. I'm guessing 3 AAA batteries. And so let's look at the accessories. We get a screwdriver to open that battery bay. We get 4 of these collapsible leaf props there. And we have a USB charging cable, barrel style connector there. And we have 4 prop guards. Oh, we get some screws too in the bag there. And so in this package here, we get a full user's manual. This thing is thick too, guys. Check it out. Full legible English, a nice illustration in black and white though. And we have a quick start guide for those who want to get right to it. Just get this thing in the air in a hurry. Just got a bunch of illustration in there showing you. And so this thing has a 720p camera here, and it says it has dazzling lights. Where these lights are. Okay, so wow, so it does have nice lights. We have green in the rear though, and white in the front, and blue on the sides. Well, I like that design of having a different color light on the sides, but I don't know if I'm too fond of the green in the rear though. I think the green should at least be up the front and red should be in the rear. But that's just me. Maybe that's just nitpicking. Let's look at what it says on here. So you can throw it and go. It has circle fly. It has high speed rotation. Dazzling lights. We're going to check it out, see if it's suitable for night flying. 360 flip. And it has gestures for photo and video. Headless mode. 1 key takeoff and landing. Photo and video, of course, and it has voice control. So the A10 seems like it's a pretty nice little quad. We're definitely going to check it out. Stay tuned. Smash the like button if you like what you're seeing. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And we're going to get into this in a future video. Check it out. And ultimately, we're going to do a quick review of it. The Snaptain A10 4-axis mini foldable drone. Thanks for watching.